Do you want to unlock your phone for free? If yes, let's now get into details on how to unlock phone free with IMEI number. Learn how to unlock phone free with IMEI number. Part 2. Where to find your phone's IMEI number. Android device free IMEI unlock code. Method 1. Through phone settings. Open the settings app, select status or about phone. Find the IMEI number at the bottom of the page by scrolling. Method 2. Use dialer codes. Open your phone's dialer app. Enter 06 into the keypad. Your IMEI number will be displayed on the screen after you enter the GSM codes. Method 3. Check the battery compartment or back of the device. iPhone device IMEI number phone unlock. Method 1. Use your phone settings. Open your phone settings app. Select General and then About. Scroll down, and the IMEI number will be displayed at the bottom of the page. Press and hold to copy the IMEI. Method 2. Dial the code. Open the phone app. Enter 06 into the keypad. A pop-up window will appear with your IMEI number. Method 3. Check the box.